Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Cinnamoroll eating a cinnamon roll. So let's get started. To draw this cute white puppy from Sanrio, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to start right here with an oval. Nice big oval. And then now I have that, I'm going to come across nice and wide, say about right here, and draw another one. There. So then my two ovals in, I'm going to come in between the eyes and draw the mouth. So let's say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just wobble this very flattened out W. And then right about here, I'm going up higher here and I'm lower here because right here, I just want to draw a curve so it makes it look like Cinnamoroll is eating, munching on some cinnamon rolls, right? Okay, so now that I have that in, let's go ahead and draw the face. So I'm going to come to the top of the eye, come out, say about this much, and same thing over here, about right there. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve around the eye. So it's kind of like my usual dumpling shape. It's wider about right here, narrower at the top. So now that I have that curve, I'm going to skip a little bit of space and say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and continue to draw the top of Cinnamoroll's head. So about right here, and I'm going to bring it down to about right here. There. Okay, so now that I have that very delicate line, I'm going to go ahead and continue this. So now I can bring this down, around, widen it out, and come in to create Cinnamoroll's head. So same thing here, and bring it in. And then from there, before we draw the bottom part here, let's go ahead and we're going to draw the cute floppy ears. So about right here, I'm just going to go out and bring it out. And so I'm just going to say about right here. Round it off and bring it right back in. There. Okay, and then same thing on the other side, about right here. And obviously you don't have to draw the ears at the same, it could be higher, lower, it's all up to you, but you just want to be floppy. So let's say about right here, I'll go ahead just like the other side, pop this part out a little bit. And my goal is just to try to make it about the same size. So take a look, step back a little bit, so maybe about right here. And connect. There. Hopefully they're about the same. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and draw the cute Cinnamoroll that Cinnamoroll is eating. So let's say about right here, I'm just going to bring this down a little bit more. And here. And so in the center area, I'm going to start, say right underneath this eye, I'm going to come right here. And the most important thing we need to draw right here is the hands. So I'm just going to curve and bring it in right there. Just drawing this little hand that's curved. And then same thing over here. So let's say about right here as well. So let's say about here. Let's draw this curve right in this space. Okay, so now that I have that, I can go ahead and draw the Cinnamoroll. So right about here, I'm just going to imagine this is kind of like this big oval. About right here, I'm going to draw a curve and I'm going to put in some bite marks. So maybe 1, and 2, just to make it extra cute. And then just imagine it's coming through, so right about here, I'm gonna pop it out, and here as well. Just pop out this nice big Cinnamoroll. So then whatever space you have left, just finish it off for the hands. And then finish off the face, the head right here. There. And I'm just going to come in here very lightly and draw a little line over the head. And before I forget, if you like, just like the original, you can put in the little crumbs if you want. Okay, so then now that I have that, let's go ahead and we're going to bring this around to draw the top of our cinnamon roll. So I'm going to come right about here and just draw some drizzles coming down. And as I draw this, I'm still imagining this oval shape. So as I draw this curve, I'm not going to go too high. I'm just still imagining this curve. So here I'll just wobble. And let's see, and just bring it back up and connect. And then in this space right here, to make it look like a Cinnamoroll, we need to come right about here in the center and just swirl. Right there. And then maybe another one here. So you should bring this one out a little bit more. Right about there. And then we can draw the body of our Cinnamoroll. Just come in a little bit, and we're just going to draw a curve. So it's a very big, yummy Cinnamoroll, and we're going to bring this in. And connect at the bottom. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's come about right here. We draw a foot. So I'm just going to have this little foot right here. And same thing here. So cute, right? And then, of course, we still need to draw Cinnamoroll's tail. So I'm going to come right here and just draw this big curve. And come in and just draw a little swirl right here as well. And see if I'm missing anything. That is pretty much it, except I'm just going to add a heart right here on this cinnamon roll to make this my Draw So Cute Cinnamoroll eating a cinnamon roll. I really hope you love this drawing that brings a smile to your day and that I inspire you to draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.